Hi guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the Metcon 4XD Metallic from Nike. These cross-training workout shoes are made with a 3D printed synthetic upper that gives you optimal durability as well as abrasion resistance. I really love the glitter effect in the Nike symbol, and it's got a little bit of an iridescent look to it as it shines. I really like that. You've got Flywire cables built into the laces so that way you've got a secured lockdown fit. Thin tongue with padding in the collar for comfort. Inside is a soft and breathable fabric lining. It also provides you with a molded textile footbed. It's got great thickness. Still gonna move with you too, but it's got good durability as well. The low profile heel clip helps minimize drag during wall exercises and those handstand pushups. The drop-in midsole gives stability in the heel and flexibility in the forefoot. It's also got a flexible and sticky rubber at the forefoot too for traction during sled pushes. Got that thin web of rubber that stretches from the outsole to wrap the midfoot for great durability. The sticky rubber outsole also gives great traction and grip for long-lasting workouts during those high-intensity intervals. Now, when you're really breaking a sweat, at least you can shimmer just like your shoes. They're from Nike.